Yes. La-ta, yay. So blissful morning, beautiful people. Listen, I've been having a grand time on this lovely island of St. Lucia. I mean, everything. First of all, before I say another word, I want to thank the tribe. Listen, I woke up this morning to 2,500 subscribers. We are truly en route to 3,000 subscribers. 2,500 was at the top. Yes. So, yes, this morning we're going to Rodney Bay. So, we're going up north again. The video I just posted, we were in Castries at the book launching presentation. Y'all check that out. I'm telling you, them children authors. So this morning we're going to do a hand art workshop. It's the second one on the island of St. Lucia. The first one was for the youth. They get theirs for free. This one is for adults and one child. So this is the fee. Yes. So anyone interested in a entrepreneurial hand art workshop? This morning we're going to do the art of wire wrapping and placing healing crystals. They want to learn how to wrap crystals. So yes, we're going to Rodney Bay, and my daughter, my village daughter, was supposed to go with me, and she's not even there. So I happened to turn down by the beach because I was just going to call them and reschedule. Rodney Bay by myself was about a 2-hour drive, maybe an hour and 40 minutes. And so I was going to reschedule. Didn't really want to, but I turned down by the beach and I seen a friend of mine. This is where you guys come in. Yes, he is the CMOS king of our lovely village, Labry. So he's going to ride with me. This is like major special. CMOS queen, CMOS king get to hang out today. Stay tuned. Today, good day, sir. Today is Fisherman's Feast. Yeah. Does that mean I can get some raw fish, or got to be cooked? How do they sell it?
I don't know. I have no idea. But, you know, later on, they're supposed to have church today. And I didn't even hear the bell.
Oh.
Ring this morning.
Certain. Many people use it during meditations or when they begin a new chapter in life. Okay, raw white calcite.
Yes.
Often viewed as cleansing for both men and women, it amplifies whatever you are experiencing in order to find mental clarity. It clears negative energy, enhances your ability to learn and to remember, encourages spiritual awareness, brings peace and emotional balance, because calcite is someone.
Wow, beautiful people. So listen, we just rode 2 hours up to Rodney Bay to hold this hand art workshop, and I mean, it was absolutely beautiful. Like, they got it. Like, when people get the craft, when they get it. And then we had a 12-year-old young man with us. First of all, I want to thank you, Bram, so much.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
for riding with me. Ain't nowhere to where I'd have rode at Rodney Bay. Sure. Too many roundabouts going, and I be done went over there, and the roundabout said go over there, there. But they're really in a beautiful guest houses. I'm telling you, up north got the biggest guest houses ever. Look at these big buildings.
All over.
And she's in the field of art herself.
Yeah.
What did we do? Come out here?
We go this side.
Oh, did we?
No, we go lower. I think
because we came up. Remember the other time we went past?
Yeah.
So there it is. There it is. Okay, so we trying to figure out how to get out of here. Let us now wait a minute. To go out.
Go this way.
But do I go over there or around here?
I'm not sure.
Boy, the roundabout business. Okay. All right. So, but yeah, it got me real excited. Now we want to find some food. Come on, King. Want to find some food of some sort. So if anybody on island is interested in a workshop, we have a brown girl initiative for young brown girls ages 11 through 17. They're free. We hold them in the village of Labrie. Stay tuned for the next date. I'll be setting soon.
Okay.
What did we do? Oh, okay. And also, if any adults, I'm sorry, we're trying to find our way. I'm gonna have to put on my direction thing. If any adults would like to invest in themselves, enhance their lives, please feel free. Just reach out to me.
Okay.
The information will be attached.
Right.
Of course, adults, we charge a small fee.
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, beautiful people, I'm sitting here with Bram. Now, if you guys remember, there was a video I did about, was it a month ago we were on Labrie Beach?
Yeah.
Not quite?
Not quite.
Not quite a month.
Early this
Anyway,
month.
I'm going to attach the two together.
Yeah.
And a few of y'all said, yes, yes, yes. I want to try the sea moss. It's beautiful. However, if you're interested, we're not even going to discuss it. Maybe a tad bit more than what you're accustomed to price-wise. Not much, but it'll be sure worth it. It's beautiful. It's raw. And he's the sea moss king. It's the quality. It's the next level.
Yeah.
Sea moss. You know how something's a next level? Well, that's what you're getting here. I will make sure you see the photos of it. Bram is going to make it available for you guys. You asked.
Yes.
And we're here to deliver.
True.
Yes. So if you are interested, I already had a few of y'all calling. Anybody. All you got to do is put in the chat box and say, Natural, I'm interested in what Bram has to offer. Just put I'm interested, okay? And Bram, would you like to say something to the people about your sea moss and the quality of it?
The quality of sea moss I have, it's pure local. Because what happened, they have the hybrid what man modified. But that one, man didn't modify it. Straight from the creator. Our father of creation, that one comes straight from him. And it's more quality. 100% quality. That's what I give people.
Okay, thanks. And you sell all colors. The full spectrum. Gold, purple, green.
I sell what happened before.
Yes.
We used to put it in a clear plastic bag. And we used to put it in the sun and we say we bleach here.
Okay.
You say we bleached it. But now we don't bleach it. I don't bleach it. It's straight from the sea. I dry it. And sometimes it will stay purple, like a reddish like.
Yes.
Now if it a little rain whilst I bring it from the sea to put it to dry, it will have a little bit different color. It will bleach it gradually whilst it taking the sun.
Beautiful.
But if it don't take sun, pure reddish or purple. Now I hear a lot of people saying purple sea moss. I never see purple sea moss. It's the drying.
It's the drying process.
Yeah, the drying process, then you get a purple.
Because I've had all color sea moss. Yes. And that's according to like the moon. Anyway, that y'all wouldn't understand all that part.
Yeah.
That's called harvesting.
Yeah. Now, the hybrid, what man modified, they have the green in it. And the natural color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Bram.
You're welcome.
So there you have it. It's available now.
Yeah.
All you have to do is say, Natural, I'm interested. I'll get in touch with Bram, and it'll be coming the same way it always comes.
Yeah.
10 days or less.
Okay.
Okay? Love and respect, beautiful people. So that means you can place your orders now.